Good morning, English literature students. This lecture is specially meant for BA Part 1 English literature students and it deals with the first paper. Okay, and today in this lecture is in continuation to the earlier lecture as I had discussed the earlier lecture which was held on As You Like It, a play written by William Shakespeare. So today I shall be discussing Rosalind's character, and I have given you a note on Rosalind's character. And you all know that Shakespeare's two characters, that is Cleopatra and Rosalind, these characters, lady characters, they are the famous women characters of Shakespearean plays, and they have been appreciated a lot by critics. As Johnson himself has said that Shakespeare, he was not of an age but for all time. You know, he's a universal writer, and till today plays written there way back and till today in 21st century you read them with so much of interest. And this particular play, you will find theme of love, and Rosalind as a character, you will find her to be a very loyal daughter, very loyal sister, very loyal friend, very loyal beloved. Okay, so you will find in her so many virtues. She is very modest, she is very witty, she is very intelligent. So what I have to tell here is Rosalind, we will nearly fall in love with her character, because she is being presented in such a way that all her dialogues, so you will find so much of richness. So she is one of the most attractive and ensnaring character of Shakespeare. So with so her character is presented with so much of depth, so much of richness. So to start with, Rosalind is the daughter of Duke Senior. She disguises herself as Ganymede, a handsome young man, and offers herself as a tutor in the waves of her beloved Orlando. You know, Orlando she has fallen in love with when she sees the wrestling match, so she falls in love with him. So though she doesn't express her love, and but it ends with her. The play ends with her wedding to Orlando. Now, so Rosalind, her talents and charms are on full display throughout the play. Ruskin, a critic, held the view that there are no heroes in Shakespeare's plays, only heroines, that is Cleopatra and Rosalind. As heroines, they surpass the limit of expectation of the readers and audience. Rosalind is exiled, and she also goes to the forest of Arden where the Duke Senior lives, and she is very sad. In the beginning, in Act 1 Scene 1, you find that there is a conversation between Rosalind and her cousin sister Celia, and she expresses her sadness that my father is being banished, but she is such a loyal sister that she is not having any feelings of, what you say, ill will against her cousin, though her father is being banished by Celia's father. So Rosalind, if on the whole you see, she also escapes. She's also banished from kingdom, and she also escapes to the forest of Arden, and there she'll meet her father. So Rosalind on the whole is witty. She is very witty. She is very intelligent, and she is an example of ingenuity and patience. She is not only a good daughter, but a good sister, faithful partner, and a loyal friend. She is also having the qualities of a good leader, and she's a careful schemer also. She, as her identity remains hidden, and she talks to Orlando, and Orlando doesn't come to know that she is Rosalind, my beloved. So she hides her identity and she enjoys the complete situation. She remains true to her family and friends, to her partner also throughout the play, no matter how dangerous the consequences. She dominates the stage. Her decision making skills can be seen in the last scene of Act 5, where she has to present herself as Rosalind to her father and to Orlando, but at the same time change Phoebe's opinion to marry Silvius. Now, Celia and Rosalind, they escape to a cottage on the edge of the forest of Arden. Rosalind gets support from Celia, and she not only survives but thrives through her all the difficulties which she faces on her journey. Orlando and Rosalind meet at the wrestling match, as I have told you, and they fall in love at first sight, but they don't express their love at the moment. It's a common occurrence, this particular love is a common occurrence between romantic leads in a Shakespearean comedy. At the Forest of Arden, this is very interesting. Rosalind is disguised as a boy, that is Ganymede. Therefore, there is certain amount of anxiety regarding her behavior. Only because of good character trait, Rosalind displays her humble spirit. She is very loyal to her cousin sister Celia. Though Celia's father only banishes her father and usurps the kingdom, but she is very loyal to her sister. She is not having any bitterness or any grudge against her sister. And even Celia, see the, what you say, see the faithfulness of both the sisters, because Celia also says, sister, don't be sad, till the day my father is there. After that, when my father is no more, the kingdom, it will come back to you. So, but both sisters, they are not concerned about estate or any other wealth, but they both are concerned about each other's feelings. So, this is very important. So, she is having all the qualities. She is a very good loyal daughter to her father. She is a very good sister. She is a very good friend. She is a good person. She is very kind. So, she is very witty also. So, she can write beautiful poem also, and she can understand also all the love letters written in poetical form by Orlando. So, she is very loyal to her cousin sister Celia. This you will find throughout the play. Though her uncle has cheated her father, but she has no bitterness against Celia. She is loyal to her sister. Rosalind's wit is very sharp. She proves herself to be a fun companion, cousin, and friend to Celia. Throughout the play, Rosalind's talents and charms are on full display. So, the play is very interesting because of her. So, the play ends with her wedding with Orlando, when there is mass gathering and merrymaking at the end. So, her wedding with Orlando, whom she truly loves, she proves to be, on the whole, she proves to be a very faithful sister, faithful and loyal daughter to her father, and a very loyal beloved to Orlando. So, students, tomorrow I'll be discussing the various love themes which are present in the play As You Like It. So, today I end my lecture here. So, you have an assignment to write in detail the character of Rosalind, and you have to, all the 5 acts, we have to take in consideration the important dialogues and important quotes on love and on companionship and on loyalty given by, Rosalind, which are dialogues of Rosalind. Thank you so much, students. Thank you for your patience for today.